Okay, welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia on beautiful Lake Lanier. Today we're going to look at a Sea Ray 2017 Sea Ray 330 Sundancer. This boat is in incredible condition at very low hours, only 57 on the engines and only 7 hours on the generator. It is fully equipped. As you move forward on the boat, you'll be able to see the full canvas package that came with it. Into the cockpit, you see it has the comes with the Canyon grill. Also comes with sink, running water, extra stereo speakers in this cabin. Again, moving forward, you can see the boat has the dual chairs for captain and mate, the joystick, Raymarine chart plotter, vessel view, skyhook, Bluetooth radio, spotlight option, ship to shore option. This boat is exceptionally well equipped. The canvas includes the cover for the windshield all the way up to the top of the radar arch, and of course we have the snap-in carpet in the cockpit as well. As you come below, you'll notice this boat has the wooden floor, not carpeted. It has the rear area that pulls into a double-sized berth. Your center couch area, which also becomes a berth. A mount for your table here. A double berth forward. Right now we have all the canvas on it laying on top of the berth. Coming over here to this side, you see the microwave oven, the sink, the alcohol stove on this boat. It has a wet head inside here. So the shower is a pull out right there at the shower sink area. And of course it has a vent. Down below you've got the refrigerator and then shelf and cabinet space inside here. Also a small closet in here where you can hang clothes. Notice it's wood lined. You have a privacy curtain that comes across this track, so that the people sleeping in this cabin can have privacy if they wish to do so. You also have a privacy curtain for the rear cabin area. It has a late model LG TV, flat screen. It also has the DirecTV digital tracker mounted to the radar arch. I failed to mention that this boat is powered by twin 6.2 liter Mercury 300 horsepower engines. That will give this boat plenty of speed should you want to go fast, but give you comfortable cruising speed as well. All around, this is a great boat, one of the more popular boats that Sea Ray has ever built. It's priced right. Come talk to us about making a deal on this boat. See you at the dock.